Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make carne guisada or beef stew. Hope you like it, so let's begin. First I'm going to start off with 1 pound of cubed beef specifically for stewing. I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce, some mustard, some salt, and some pepper. I'm going to mix everything well, making sure that everything is well coated with the ingredients. I'm going to place a lid on it and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. The longer the better. So in the meantime, while my beef is marinating, I'm going to start by chopping up my vegetables. I have here some potatoes and some carrots. I like using this peeler that I have that makes anything look like kind of like a star type of shape. So I'm going to use that for my carrots. I'm probably going to use about 3 carrots and 2 big potatoes. That's just my personal preference because I really like chunky beef stews. If you prefer less, then go ahead and modify the recipe. So I put my vegetables aside for a minute and now I'm going back to my beef. As you can see, I have my beef frying up just a little bit. I want to cook only the outside, not the inside, not yet. Also, I just want to let you know that I had my flame a little bit too high. That's why you could see that the oil was splashing all over the place, hot oil. So please be careful with that. Make sure that you have the correct temperature so that this doesn't happen to you. So after lightly frying my beef for about 5 to 6 minutes, I'm now going to reduce the flame and I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I want this to simmer. I also want to add some ground annatto seeds, or commonly known as achiote. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and I'm just going to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. The annatto seeds or achiote is going to give me this beautiful reddish orange color and it's going to give me a little hint of flavor. I'm also going to look for the tenderness of the meat. So I'm going to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes, poking it with a fork every once in a while just to see how smoothly the fork enters that beef. Once I have it to the way I like it, I can start adding the vegetables. The vegetables that I chopped up earlier, I'm going to bring them back now and I'm going to add them to my stew. So at this point, it's already been about 15 to 20 minutes and I've already checked the tenderness of the beef and it's to the point that I like. So now I'm going to let it cook for about another 10 minutes just to make sure that the carrots and the potatoes cook through. So while I'm waiting for my carrots and my potatoes to cook through, I want to make sure that I'm keeping an eye on my stew. I do not want it to dry out completely. However, if it does, what you can do is just add in some more water and some more spices to compensate. At this particular point is where you decide whether you want a thin or a thicker type of stew. That will all depend on your likings. And there you have it, folks, some delicious carne guisada or beef stew. Remember that you can always modify the amount of spices or vegetables to your likings. I hope you liked this video, and I'll be back soon with some more delicious recipes from Panama, El Salvador, from my home to yours.